Do you find yourself dealing with dry, chapped lips on a regular basis? Don't worry, we've all been there. But fear not. Caring for dry lips is easier than you think. Keeping healthy, soft, and protected lips don't have to be rocket science. All it takes is a bit of TLC and minimal effort. The best skincare guide for your lips. Clean your pout. Just as you wash your face before applying serums and moisturizers, you'll want to remove any products from your lips before getting into your lip care routine. Exfoliate. The best lip care routines always include exfoliation, and that's because dead skin can leave your lips looking and feeling rough. Use a clean toothbrush to softly buff your lips for about a minute or reach for a dedicated lip scrub. Moisturize with lip balm. Lip care for dry lips often involves the liberal use of lip balm, but in reality, everyone should use balm. It's not just for those with drier pouts. As we mentioned earlier, lip care products like balm can help hydrate, soften, and smooth the lips. Apply SPF. Using sunscreen daily is one of the best ways to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Unfortunately, the lip are one area many people forget to apply sunscreen. During the day, use a lip balm with an SPF of at least 15 and to help protect your lips from the sun's damaging rays. Avoid matte lipsticks. Matte lipsticks can be drying. If you must use them, apply a hydrating lip balm with ingredients like hyaluronic acid underneath. Opt for creamy or satin finishes that provide moisture and color. Stay hydrated. One of the most common causes of dry skin is not drinking enough water. Getting 8 glasses of water a day will benefit your body in lots. Beetroot. Beetroot is an excellent nourishing agent, and the natural burgundy pigment helps in making the lips softer and pink. Grate a small, peeled beetroot to extract its juice. Dab the juice on your lips using your fingertips. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off. Aloe vera and honey. Aloe vera and honey are both nourishing agents that can hydrate your lips to restore the natural pinkness of your lips. Take 1 tablespoon of freshly extracted aloe vera gel and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your lips and leave it on for 15 minutes before wash. Avoid too much exposure to sun. Sun's rays are harmful to your skin as well as your lips. Before stepping out in the sun, apply a lip balm that has SPF to protect your lips from the sun's rays. What should you eat to get pink lips? Tomato. Tomatoes contain selenium, which protects your lips from sun damage. Consume it in raw form as a salad, or you can even mash a little and apply it to your lips if you have been out in the sun for long. Curd or yogurt. Dairy products like curds and yogurt contain a protein that keeps the skin firm, preventing the onset of wrinkles. You can eat it as dahi with your meal, blend into a smoothie, or use it as a salad dressing. Applying yogurt on your lips can also prevent pigmentation. Lemon. If you drink lemon juice with warm water and honey, it detoxes your body, giving the skin of your lips a healthy glow. Since it also has bleaching properties, you can apply the juice on your lips or mix with sugar to use it as a scrub. Watermelon. Eating watermelon in summer helps the skin stay hydrated due to its very high water content. Watermelon, being 97% water, helps the hydration reach all the cells of your body, thereby giving you moist and pink lips. Green tea. With all its other health benefits, green tea is good for your lips too. It contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that prevent sun damage on aging. Cucumber. Cucumber is enriched with high water content, so why not use it for some lip hydration? Take a slice of a cucumber and massage it over your lips for 2-3 minutes. Wash off and apply lip balm. Avoid constant contact with saliva. Even if you think that licking your lips is the key to calm the itchiness and weird sensation caused by dryness, the truth is that saliva dries the skin of the lips because it can make them gradually lose the natural layer that protects them. Always carry your favorite lip balm with you. Having lip balm with you is like having your insurance policy against dry lips. No matter if you're walking through the desert or in an office space with cold air, lip balm is always there to provide comfort and nourishment. So don't forget to pack a routine exclusively for your lips is not only essential, but it's also fun. Follow this step-by-step guide that will result in soft, kissable lips.
Esta noche tengo